Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's 24 days of Hackmas with Katie and it is day 11. And today we are going down the baking route and we are going to be sharing with you, or I am going to be sharing with you, my gingerbread recipe. So I hope you enjoy, and if you get a chance to make some, then please make sure you send me some pictures or maybe make your own video so that I can see how you get on. The recipe: 100 grams of salted butter, 3 tablespoons of golden syrup, 100 grams of dark muscovado sugar, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 225 grams of plain flour, and 50 grams of icing sugar if you wish to decorate them at the end. Step 1. Heat the butter, syrup and sugar together in a small pan until melted. Set aside to cool slightly. Step 2. In a bowl, mix together the bicarbonate, ginger, cinnamon and flour. Pour in the buttery syrup mixture and stir to combine. Then use your hands to bring together to form a dough. If it's a little bit dry, add up to 1 tablespoon of milk to combine if needed. The dough will be really soft at this point, but it'll soon firm up in the fridge. Step 3. Put the dough on a sheet of baking parchment, shape out into a rectangle as much as possible, roll the dough out to a thickness of about ½ centimetre. Transfer this to a baking sheet to keep it flat, leaving the parchment in place, and chill in the fridge for an hour. Step 4. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees or 170 fan or gas mark 5. Line a large baking sheet with more baking parchment. Remove the dough from the fridge and cut out any shapes using any cookie cutter of your choice. Step 5. Place the shapes spread apart on the lined baking sheet and bake between 10 to 12 minutes. If you've used tiny cutters, they might not need as long, or again, if you've used even bigger ones than the general size, then they might need a little bit longer in the oven, so just keep an eye on them. If you want to decorate, at the end when they're nice and cool, mix the icing sugar with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to create a really thick consistency that's almost pipeable. You don't want it too thin or it will run. So that is my special gingerbread recipe. I'll be making some soon as we head towards Christmas Day, and I'll make sure to share them with you too. Take care. See you tomorrow for day 12. Bye. Please make sure you like, subscribe and leave me a cheeky little comment below if you want to say hi and tell me what your Hackmas tricks are this year.